Hello everybody. How are you all there? I hope you all are fine. So we are just going to start with the skill Information and Communication Technology ICT skill part 2 under CBSE code 402. Now, as you all know, computer being a machine needs cares and require regular maintenance so that it works efficiently. Poor maintenance may lead to system failure which may hamper working of the system. So let's start with the slides. Maintenance of computer system. Now first of all we'll just see importance and need of care and maintenance of computer. Now computer system, it require maintenance. Regular care and maintenance may help you detect any issues at an early stage and keep it functioning well. Now regular maintenance of the system includes installing updates, security, taking backup scans, etc. Now to keep the computer in proper maintenance, what all should we do? You have to keep the computer dust free. Just make sure that your computer is kept in a dust free environment. ठीक है? Do not eat or drink while working on the computer. Food or drink may spill on the system. Then, to keep the keyboard clean, make sure your hands are clean before using it. Okay. The next point you should keep it in mind कि CDs and DVDs should be handled carefully so that they should not get damaged. ठीक है. Then next slide में we are just going to see how to clean the computer components. Now for cleaning the computer components, you have to keep certain points in mind. Always turn off and unplug the power cables of your computer before starting the cleaning operation. Then never spray cleaning fluid directly on the component of the computer. First spray the liquid on the cloth and then wipe the component. Then preferably use anti-static wristband which helps to prevent building up of static electricity near electronic device. ठीक है, अपना बचाव करने के लिए you can make use of anti-static wristband. Then how to clean the keyboard. Now dirt and dust can cause damage to the keyboard. ठीक है, you should always clean the keyboard periodically by holding upside down and shaking it, and you can also clean it by blowing it with compressed air. Compressed air blow करके भी आप इसे साफ कर सकते हो. After this, use a damp lint free cloth to clean top of the keys. Okay. Then next is how to clean the optical mouse. Now for cleaning the mouse, you can just make use of the lint free cloth. ठीक है. Lens area can be cleaned by blowing area or cotton swab. Then digital camera. If you are having the digital camera, how to keep that thing clean? Now never touch the lens of the camera. To remove the dust, you can use soft lens brush or wipe with the soft dry cloth. For stubborn dust, you can use special fluid for lens cleaning, which should be first put on the tissue. पहले tissue के ऊपर डालो and then wipe the lens. Never put the fluid directly on the lens. Lens के ऊपर directly कभी भी आपने fluid नहीं डालना, पहले tissue के ऊपर डालना है and then you have to clean the lens. ठीक है. Then next is how to make use of CDs and DVDs. Now CDs and DVDs should be kept in a proper case to prevent damage. Now fingerprints and dirt can be removed by lightly rubbing it with a clean lint free cotton cloth. Now if the dirt is hard to remove, अगर dirt नहीं निकल रही है, then you can make use of special cleaning fluid. ठीक है. Put the drop of fluid on a swab of cotton पे थोड़ा fluid डाल दो and gently rub on the media. इसके साथ क्या होगा कि आपकी dust जो CDs और DVDs पर है, that will get removed. Come on the next one. Now for preparing maintenance schedule, you have to keep certain points in mind. You have to keep it in your mind कि keep the components of the computer like keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. clean. ये सारी चीज़ें साफ रखनी है आपने. रिप्लेस हार्डवेयर, जो हार्डवेयर आपको नहीं चाहिए, जो नहीं काम कर रहे हैं, वो आप रिप्लेस कर दो, ठीक है। देन अनऑथराइज सॉफ्टवेयर फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर, जो सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में, जिनके बारे में आपको पता नहीं है, नेवर इंस्टॉल दो सॉफ्टवेयर ऑन योर सिस्टम। हमेशा आप अपने सिस्टम का एक रेगुलर बैकअप रखो। इंश्योर दैट बैकअप्स आर वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, ठीक है। हार्ड डिस्क के ऊपर एक बैकअप रखो एंड मेक श्योर दैट कि योर एक्सटर्नल हार्ड ड्राइव बैकअप इज वर्किंग प्रॉपरली। देन run antivirus periodically. Keep antivirus software up to date. Do not overcharge the batteries. Always shut down the computer properly. ठीक है. So these are some of the proper maintenance schedule that you have to keep the points in mind. Now next slide we're just going to see about antivirus. Now you all know antivirus, it is a software that should be installed on the computer so that the computer में virus वगैरह कोई आ गया है तो you can be able to remove the type of virus. Now what are the type of antivirus that you can install on your system? They are McAfee, Norton antivirus, Quick Heal, Avast Pro antivirus, and there are many more nowadays. ठीक है. Now disk defragmentation. Now the disk defragmentation should be done to remove all unnecessary information that slows down the computer. अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन स्लो कर रही है तो उस चीज़ को हमने रिमूव कर देना. Disk defragmentation done at regular intervals help the disk space to be used at an optimal level. ठीक है. Now protecting computer against viruses. Viruses, what is the full form of viruses? First of all, it is vital information resource underseas. Now virus कैसे आ जाते हैं? A virus may get attached to email messages and it can spread from one computer to another. Now what all things it can do? It can infect your files, it can infect your pen drives, it can infect your CD or DVD ROMs, and through infected attachment of emails it can also come. ठीक है. Now what all things virus cannot do? It cannot infect files on CD or DVD if they are closed for writing. It cannot infect computer hardware like keyboard, mouse, etc. ठीक है. Come on the next one. Prevention methods of virus infection. Now here we are just going to see कि आप अपने कंप्यूटर को वायरस फ्री रखना चाहते हो तो what all things you should do. You should install and use antivirus software. Keep antivirus software updated. Scan all the files that you download from the internet. Do not open emails from an unknown source. Do not allow any untrustworthy person to use your system. Never use pen drive CD on your computer. कोई unknown है तो ठीक है. Never click on the windows that pop up when you're surfing the internet. जो विंडोज़ आपको नहीं चाहिए, एक्स्ट्रा लग रही है इंटरनेट यूज़ करते समय, तो उनमें आप झांकियाँ ना मारो, उनके आप डाटा ना डाउनलोड करो सो दैट वायरस आपके कंप्यूटर में ना आए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज फायरवॉल. Now firewall, what is it? A computer firewall could be a programmable device or software or a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on user defined security rules. ठीक है. फायरवॉल जो है ये एक तरह की आपकी ट्रैफिक को कंट्रोल करता, ठीक है, नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल करता. द मेन पर्पस ऑफ द फायरवॉल इज टू रिड्यूस और एलिमिनेट द अकरेंस ऑफ अनवांटेड नेटवर्क कम्युनिकेशन वाइल अलाउइंग नॉर्मल ट्रैफिक. अनवांटेड नेटवर्क कम्युनिकेशन ये आने से आपके कंप्यूटर को बचाता, ठीक है. Now next is cookies. Now what are cookies? Cookies are small files which are stored on a user's computer when you visit a website on the internet. जब आप कोई भी वेबसाइट इंटरनेट पर विजिट करते हो, that time this cookies comes in your system. These files are designed to hold data specific to a particular client and website. When you visit a website, it sends a cookie to your computer where it is stored in a file में ये store हो जाता है. Only the website that creates a cookie can read it. Other servers cannot access this information. ठीक है. Now, how to remove temporary files from your system? To remove the temporary files from your system, what you have to do, you have to press, first of all, you have to press window button plus R on the keyboard. ठीक है. When you will press window button plus R on the keyboard, a run dialog box will appear. After that, you have to type %temporary %. So if you type this, the temporary folder will get opened this way. These are the temporary files on your system. After that, you have to select the files that you want to remove. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the files in the folder. Then a message of delete will get appear. ठीक है. Then you have to click yes to confirm, and all the files in the temporary folder will get deleted. So this was all about the slides. I hope everything is clear to you. So stay safe, stay healthy, and happy learning.